The higher vertical time zones, Bhur, Bhuva, Suva, Tapa, Maha, Satya, Kailasa. The lower vertical time zones, Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahatala, Bhatala. In all these 14 time zones, vertical time zones, you exist. Understand that? You exist in all these 14 vertical time zones. Your conclusions, cognitions, and actions strengthen some of these 14 identity you have. I wanted to remind you from the past satsangs, revelations of Paramashiva. If you think in your life, grabbing, stealing from others is the best strategy for success, your identity in Patala gets strengthened. If you think the win-win is the best strategy in any deal, whether relationship or business, in every deal of your life, you also should win, other person also should win. The win-win is the most successful, long-term, peaceful, right strategy. Then, your identity in Swargaloka gets strengthened. If you feel no, giving up, Sarva Parityaga, Tyaga is the best strategy for all the auspiciousness in the life. Tyaga is the best strategy. The greatest powerfulness in the life. Then your identity in Tapoloka gets strengthened. If you feel integrity is the best strategy. Your identity in Satyaloka gets strengthened. If you feel integrity to Guru and the God is the best strategy. As I say, Paramashiva revealed many times. The manifest form of Paramashiva is Guru. Unmanifest existence of Guru is Paramashiva. State of Guru is Paramashiva. Statement of Paramashiva is Guru. Statement of Paramashiva is Guru. State of Guru is Paramashiva. Avyakta of Guru is Paramashiva. Paramashiva's Vyakta is Guru. Manifest component of Paramashiva is Guru. Unmanifest existence of Guru is Paramashiva. Understand? The extraordinary powerful existence, extraordinary powerful existence of Paramashiva in his Avyakta, unmanifest, remains as Paramashiva. In his manifest, he becomes Guru. Some of the powerful cognitions I repeat, so it enters into your very core cognitions, your very being, your very core. That's the reason I repeat some of the right conclusions. The conscious conclusions you need to arrive. So let me give you the deeper truths now. Level by level understand about your body. Be very clear, you have 14 bodies you carry. In all these 14 lokas, each loka you have one body through which you enjoy that loka, you experience that loka. Actually, the body you carry is the base from which you enjoy that loka. So the body you are carrying now in this bhuloka, where you are sitting and listening to me, this body has only one relevance to the body you are carrying in Kailasa or the body you are carrying in Batala, the lowest and highest. The breathing which goes into you and comes out, the prana is same. The prana which goes into your body, in this body you are carrying, goes up to the body you are carrying in Kailasa and goes up to the body you are carrying in Patala. All these 14 bodies are stitched with one sutra, one thread called the prana functioning in you. Understand? These are the most subtle truths. If you start cognizing them, sitting with these powerful conclusions, you will start manifesting powers. Because they are so powerful, they manifest as powers in you. If you understand, the breathing you are doing now adds prana, life energy into you. That prana from Batala goes to Kailasa through your body. Understand? Now I am wearing 1 lakh Rudraksha. Little more than 1 lakh, because this 3 Gauri Shankar Mala which I am wearing is each one of them 108, 108. This 1 lakh Rudraksha, this whole 1 lakh Rudraksha is tied through a thread. Same way, the body you are carrying in all 14 lokas are tied through a thread. Just like this Rudrakshas are all tied with one thread. This body, the body you are carrying now, and the body you are carrying in Kailasa, and the body you are carrying in Batala, all these 14 bodies are tied through your breathing. Your breathing is the thread through which all the 14 bodies are tied. The 15th one in Kailasa, it's existence. 14 lokas, you have body. 15th, in Kailasa, it's more like existence. All 15 are tied through your breathing. So if you just sit with your breathing, you can reach Kailasa. If you sit with my breathing, you can experience Paramashiva now, right now.